Common missteps to stay clear of when investing in real estate. It's common knowledge that scammers are common, and we want to ensure that you don't become a victim. So to avoid potential pitfalls when investing in real estate, be cautious of the following. 1. Making hasty purchases without conducting thorough research. 2. Neglecting to seek guidance from certified experts. 3. Skipping a property inspection before making a purchase, which could lead to expensive errors. 4. Allowing desperation to interfere with sound judgment. 5. Failing to establish a solid budget. So therefore, avoid the following and make sure you make a better investment today. After thorough investigation and research, don't rush. Here at iStone Development, we offer great investment, thorough documentation, and adequate due diligence.